Hello, I'm Lou Steiner, publisher of Atlantic City Weekly. We're here today at Budokan at the Pier Shops at Caesars.
My name is Nery Hernandez. I'm the executive chef over at Budokan. Dining at Budokan is like walking into an Asian village and dining under the twilight sky. Today I'm going to prep for you one of our most popular dishes, which is the lobster fried rice. We're going to use some aromatics, a little ginger, shallots, scallions, some Thai basil, little peas, and some Maine lobster. And we're gonna do our homemade XO sauce at the end with it. All right, we're also gonna use a little bit of saffron infused rice. And we're gonna finish it with a little bit of our Chao Sang wine, okay? Wok cooking, when we make these rices, you have to use like very high heat. It's a very fast way of cooking. So you get your wok pan really, really hot. You pour in the egg, you scramble it a little bit. Then you want to follow it with your aromatics to get some of the flavor out of them. Then you follow with your XO sauce. Then afterwards, you want to toss your rice and heat it thoroughly. Towards the very end, you want to add the lobster meat so it doesn't overcook. And finally, you want to deglaze it with a little bit of Chao Sang wine to get another layer of flavor in the dish.
My name's Steve Borelli. I am the pastry chef for both the Budokan and the Continental restaurants here in Atlantic City. Budokan restaurant is Asian fusion cuisine. So we try to take a little bit of the American profiles that the American public is comfortable with, and we add an Asian influence to them. One of our most popular desserts that we offer is our sticky coconut rice pudding, and we're going to make that for you today. We start off with a coconut foam, and we use a whipped cream canister, and then we add in our rice pudding. This rice pudding is prepared with lemongrass, fresh ginger, Tahitian vanilla beans, and it's cooked with a lot of coconut milk. We then add our roasted pineapple sorbet. We take golden pineapples and they're roasted in the oven for about 45 minutes until the sugars begin to caramelize. From there, they are pureed and spun into a sorbet, and it's garnished off with some dehydrated caramelized bananas. This is one of our signature desserts. It's been on the menu now since the opening of the restaurant here in Atlantic City about 7 years ago.